Today we're exploring Zora, the social app that combines creativity culture and the creator economy in a whole new way. Zora is a platform where your posts and profile aren't just content, they become tradable, digital coins that can earn you rewards every time they are traded. Unlike traditional social networks where attention translates into likes, followers, or views, Zora turns attention into a tradable token that reflects the popularity and value of your content. On Zora, every meme, every piece of art, every video, music clip, or podcast you share can become a unique tradable coin. When other users trade your coins, you earn crypto, instantly giving creators a novel way to be rewarded for their work. This opens up fresh possibilities for independent creators, musicians, artists, and anyone looking to monetize what they make in a decentralized and engaging marketplace. Getting started with Zora is straightforward. Once you create an account, you can start posting right away, and each new post launches its own coin as part of your creator footprint. As your content gains traction and interest grows, those coins can show activity in a marketplace where users can trade them or the coins of other creators who inspire them. Posts that trend gather more attention, making the experience dynamic and interactive. Unlike platforms that rely on ads or sponsorships, Zora does not interrupt your feed with ads. Instead, the focus is on discovery, community, and direct creator reward. Potential earnings come from both what you create and what you discover when you engage with other creators' content. Zora also gives you the ability to cash out your earned crypto when you decide so, which makes the platform exciting for creators who want real control of their creative economy. In addition to minting coins, Zora offers tools to help you discover trending content and new creators so you can find inspiration, follow movements, and participate in this new social and financial ecosystem. The concept blends social networking with marketplaces by rewarding creativity and engagement in ways that traditional social apps have never done before, while fostering a community built around digital assets and shared value. Whether you're an artist, musician, influencer, or simply someone looking to experiment with crypto and social interaction, Zora provides an innovative space to post, share, trade, and potentially earn from your digital presence. Join the new wave of creator-driven platforms and find out how your content can do more than get likes on a feed by making it part of a marketplace where creativity meets reward.